Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we got a Sony Xperia that's in for repair, and I did go ahead and test it, and when I plug it up, as you can see, charging light turns on, stays on for a couple seconds, and there it goes. It's showing that it's charging. But the only reason why it's doing that is because of this. See, immediately when I move the cord up, it's discharging. Push it down, and then it starts charging again. Charging port is damaged, so whether it's on the back side of the charging port or inside the charging port, we're going to go ahead and check and find out. We got this port disconnected, and I'm going to check this back side over here. And I mean, those seem like they're pretty well soldered in there. You can see some cracking right here. See that? The joint is cracked right there. So we see this joint is cracked right here. So this is what I mean by these painful repair with Sony, because we're gonna have to remove this first and then get to it. So Sony was always prepared for these things breaking, so they kind of put this metal over here to kind of hold it from bending, but still, obviously that does not stop it from breaking at all. It still does break. Okay, go ahead and take that off, but that's just gonna end up probably being melted away anyway. So instead of melting it away, I'll just take it away. Oh, and that might just be the pin that's our issue right here. So we might not have to do too much to this, which will be good. Yep, see how that pin is also moving. So we got what, 2 pins moving, and then a crack right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if just getting this pin, and this pin, see how they're moving right there? I don't know if you guys can see that very well. See that? And then this one. So let's see what we can do about those two, and see if that's going to solve our issue here. That pin and this pin. So both of those are broken off. As you can see, these ones are solid. These ones are the ones that are broken. And this one looks like it might be broken off on the inside. You see that piece of plastic right there? That looks like that one is completely ripped out of there. So we might end up having to change this whole thing. But we'll find out, because that one looks like it's completely just broken off, and there's probably no saving that one. Also, let's see if we have these ports. all I just did, guys, I mean, sorry I didn't record it, but all I did was just go ahead and touch these pins up. See that? And that looks at a pin that completely came off. So off of one of these, it's missing a whole pin. I'll find out which one it is here in a minute or two. Alright, so I'm back, guys, and like I said, I mean, that pin just came right off, and I think it's, let's see if we can still get a connection here without having to replace this whole thing. See if that works. Yeah, we're gonna have to replace that whole port. As you can see, that satellite is blinking. That means that we don't have a second connection. So let's go ahead and replace this port completely with a new port, and we should have this phone back in working order. Thought it was just going to be easy, just touching up those joints, but like I said, once I got in there, I realized that the pin was completely gone. And once that pin is gone, then it's pretty much, that's it. This whole thing has to be done. Alright, so guys, so I found the charging port for it, so I'm going to go ahead and clean up the area first. And after I'm done cleaning up, we'll go ahead and place the new port down. Okay guys, and thanks for watching. That's it for this repair.